So Google actually teamed up with Autism Speaks for genome research, and they called their little project by a very strange name. They actually called it missing, except without the I's. So mssng, missing. Now, let me be very clear about this. I am not missing. There is no part of me that is missing. Okay, I'm not a puzzle with a bunch of pieces missing. Okay, I'm a complete human being. Yeah. It's a bit strange how in 2014 I have to reiterate that I'm a human being. How is it that they can't see how sickening and monstrous this is, to actually view someone as, half a person or something like that? How is it they don't go, oh gee, it might not be such a good thing to dehumanize people? Now, what this is, this research project, it's actually another chapter in their crusade for eugenic elimination. Basically, they want to prevent autism and Asperger's so bad, and they just can't wait for a treatment, and they cannot wait to just push a button and just get rid of the spectrum entirely. So basically, they want people like me to not exist in the first place. They're just aching to get their claws on that, like some sort of paternal test or some sort of gene therapy program. How the hell can they consider the ethical and moral implications of genetic research when they don't even consider us human beings? What the fuck? Yeah, and Google, you guys are going to sign up for that? What the fuck is wrong with you? Instead of sinking money into genetic research, there are actually AS people and families that actually need help right now. For example, that money could have been better spent building a school, for example. How many NT schools are there compared to AS schools? They could have used the money to get AS people into higher education. They could have invested that money into businesses to incentivize businesses and business owners to hire AS people and try and dispel some of the fear that businesses have with hiring AS people. It's a tremendous waste of money. You don't want to spend it on some doomsday, eugenic elimination project. It even sounds like something a James Bond villain would do. Okay, let's say, just for argument's sake, that the research itself is beneficial. Okay, the bottom line is this. When they view us as subhuman, diseased or defective, that demonstrates that they lack the ethical and moral standard to have such genetic information. They go, oh, they're affected, they're suffering. We need to prevent AS people from existing. No, what we need to do is prevent these intolerant bigots from existing.